Hello everyone, welcome back to the FluidXAV channel. In this tutorial series, we are going to simulate a conjugate heat transfer problem using ANSYS Workbench. Specifically, we will model a tube fin heat exchanger where hot water flow inside the copper tube. A solid aluminum fin is attached to the tube and the cold air actually flows around the fins and the tube, as you can see in this picture. This is a classic heat transfer problem, involves both solid and fluid regions. In this simulation, heat transfers from the hot water to the copper tube. So this is our copper tube and this is our water domain inside the copper tube. Then from the tube to the aluminum fin, so I can activate the aluminum fin. As you can see, this aluminum fin is attached to the copper tube, and then finally from the fins to the surrounding air through the convection. So I can now activate the air domain surrounding the fins and tube, as you can see here. So we are solving conductions in solid and the convection in the fluid at the same time. So that's the reason why we call this problem as a conjugate heat transfer, or CHT. To reduce computational cost, we will apply a symmetry condition and model only half of this geometry. So this allows us to decrease the mesh size and simulation time while maintaining the accuracy. So now I can go to another view of this geometry. As you can see, this is half of the previous model and the dimension, as you can see here. So this is our copper tube, as you can see, with the outer dimension of 40 millimeter and inner dimension of 12.5 millimeter, as you can see here. Here also we have aluminum fins. I can highlight it here. So this is our aluminum fins. Thickness is 0.5 millimeter, and the dimension, as you can see, is here. As you can see here, is 100 millimeter by 100 millimeter, and the whole domain, as you can see here, is 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter size, as you can see here, and the height of this copper tube, as you can see, is 25 millimeter. So we will go later on in this view in the SpaceClaim later on in the next video. So this will be a complete workflow inside the ANSYS Workbench. As you can see here, we will start with the with geometry creation in the SpaceClaim. Then we will generate the mesh actually. I can show an overview of the mesh here inside the ANSYS meshing, and after that we will set up and run simulation in Fluent, and finally we will post-process the results in Fluent, as you can see in this picture as an example, to analyze temperature distribution and heat transfer performance. By the end of this series, you will understand how to build multi-region CHT geometry, how to mesh solid and fluid domains properly, and how to select the correct turbulence model, how to monitor convergence, and finally how to evaluate temperature change and heat transfer rate. This example is simplified by but the workflow can be applied to real engineering problems such as radiators, cooling systems, electronic heat sinks, and industrial heat exchangers. So in the next video, we will start with the geometry creation in the SpaceClaim and build the complete multi-body model step by step. So let's begin. Thanks for watching.